Let's talk about uncertainty, right? That's another thing that we are really good at. Designers are very good at really asking the right questions, early testing of the need and insights to reduce all types of risk, right? So first we talked about ambiguity as a way to reduce risk, and now we're talking about uncertainty. Again, if you think about use the same framework, we can think about what kind of uncertainties are in when we are really trying to reduce market risk or business risk or technical risk, right? There are different kind of questions that you need to ask, right? When you're talking about market risk, we're talking about the user and the market. What kind of solution do we need to make? Who is it for? What is it creating value for? How should I make it? Well, those are the kind of questions that you generally need to ask. When it comes to business risk, it's really about, okay, now I know who I should make it for, what value it's creating. Now, should this product be built? Is it valuable? Is it viable for the company to build this product? Because in the end, it's not charity work, right? Though you have an opportunity and you know it's a desirable solution, doesn't mean you have to build it. You have to build it if there's a good profit model tied to it. And can we build a sustainable business model around it, right? Those are really important things about business risk. And then lastly, it's the technical risk. Like what are our technical objectives and the result? What are the requirements? What are the, desired customer outcomes? Defining MVP. I mean, these are questions probably you're most familiar with if you are in the technical side of development and design. So it's really important that we are, as designers, trying to help answer these questions based on where the project lies in that squiggly line. Overall, you can see that we need to really, we can do a great job by asking these questions and making sure, one of the ways to test where the project lies and aligning with the team is to make sure that if your project is somewhere in between, you can ask the team, okay, do we have answers for all of these things? If so, then we can go to the next level of research and ask different questions. So think about reducing uncertainty by just doing the right kind of research at different levels as we move from high ambiguity to more certainty.